that you all practice the last class notes and songs. Just revise the last class note which are taught the Mary Handel Killian. Okay, just I am going to play. Okay, start. First class I introduced about the scales, means C major scale. This is C major scale. So I introduced the notes of C major scale: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And it's very like the next octave. C, D, the next octave. You can play any octave. So the C major scale, while you play the C major scale, you have to use the finger, proper finger for all the notes. C for first finger, thumb, second finger for D, and third finger for E. After that, you just turn like this to go to F note. This F note. Okay. Then come to second finger to G, third finger to A, B fourth finger, and C fifth finger. C again. C first finger, D second finger, E third finger, F for first finger again, like this. Then this finger come to from here to here. Understood? Just don't do the right hand, only just twist your wrist. Wrist. Only finger you use. Don't twist your wrist and hand. Particular finger for particular notes. You can play anyway. You can play like this one, like this one. But while you play the pop with the proper finger, you will get more possibility to make fast. So this one, use this one. You can play like this. If you want to play the both hand, you practice with left hand. This is the fifth finger with C, and D second finger. And E is third, C is first finger, D is fourth finger, E is third finger, F second finger, and G is first finger, and from there, this E third finger, just turn to F like this, over to thumb, like this, okay, G and A with this finger, and B second finger, and C. This is the ascending order. See? B, E, F, G, A, B, C. Both are ascending. From there, first you change the right hand to F and come to second finger to G and left hand, first finger to G. And from the change left hand change to change the second finger to shift the finger to A. And B, C. Okay, ascending both and like that same order you have to use for descending. C like this. C. Okay, B and A. Then descending. First change with left hand from here to G. This thumb should come from here to here. And G with this border means like, okay, then thumb, then from here change right hand to E, then from A to E, just twist this finger, then D, then A, both hands. play scales with both hand. I taught you now. So there are many songs composed in C major scale. So learn the song later. Before that, I want to introduce same very important thing in Western music: chords. There are chords in C major. There is this is C major scale. So in this C major there are many chords. The very family chord of they are called family chords. Family chords are main family chords are in C major scale: C major and D minor. That means C, E, G. That is C major chord. And next D minor, D, F, A. And E minor, E, G, B. And F major, F, A, C. And G major, G, B, D. And A minor, A, C, E. Then after that, one more chord, G7. G7, G, B, D, F. So, C major, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, G7 and C. There are three major chords in C major scale: C and F and G. There are three minor chords: D minor, E minor, D, A minor. The three chords, and after that one seventh chord. All major chord and minor chord, there will be three notes. Three notes means that the chord will be called as triad chord. That's C major and D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor. This all chord having only three notes. But in the seventh chord means there will be four notes. That means this is G major, G, D, D. One more note will be added. Means F. That's the seventh chord. Okay, you now understand. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chord. 7 chord I taught you. C major, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor. So let us go to one song. Children, now I am going to teach one song. The song is We Shall Overcome. The song is very famous and very popular song. You might know the song. So I am going to teach the song. Look at my finger, how to play it. I am going to play with one finger. So the song is C major. The song is built in C major, composed. There is a C major scale, you know. Okay. With the song, I taught you that this finger you use for G while you playing scale. But song doesn't matter. You can play with any finger. Okay. I am going to play with one finger whole song. Just listen. Notes are G, G, A, G, 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 A, G. Okay, this is the song notes. Okay, this is the song. According to the melody, these are the alphabetic notes for the song. The starting note is G. Okay, G, G, A, G, 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 A, G, 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 A, G. start with second finger G. When we play the G note, automatically the third finger come to A. What is the problem? Play with proper. Children, let us play the song with the accompaniment of the voice and style of this device. The device Yamaha PSR 333. Yamaha PSR 333. So, in this device, there are many functions. First function is voice. Voice means you can change this piano. You can change this voice. Press this button. This now you can see number one is grand piano and nice bright piano. It will go to change like this, go to light. Okay, it will go right. You can change with plus cursor. This cursor button. Cursor button use left minus and plus. Okay, you can change any song whatever you needed. Like that, after voice, this style, next go to style button. Style button also you can change which style you want. Many styles are 100, more than 100. Okay, like that, many buttons. These are all. There are different style. So this is the main thing. After that, chords you can play with left hand. The chords, more effect you need for the chords, you will get here is accompaniment button is there. This button you can use. This is the accompaniment button. So it will change. Before it was like this piano. So, while you are pressing this accompaniment button, it will be changed. Then tempo button, the changing of speed. Tempo means speed. How to play change. Tempo and go like this cursor. This is a tempo. Change like this. How you did for voice and style. The same thing can use like this. Increase and decrease. Increase and decrease. Okay. For this song, we need some particular voice and particular styles and particular tempo. How to do? We check. First, styles and voice and tempo. How to style teach you. First, you power on. Wait. Okay. Now power came. First, go to voice. This I am going to set the voice brass. Brass means all wind instrument, trumpet all together. Trumpet, saxophone all together. That group of instrument will call brass. So start with brass instrument number is 078. You can see brass section. Brass section means all together. Trumpet, saxophone, trombone, all together. The sound is brass section. Name is the all together sound name called as brass section sound. Next is we'll go to sound is set. We set the sound. Next is style button. First style button. We need for this disco type of rhythm. So I'll put. You can change accordingly your choice, but I am going to set 037. This is Latin disco beat. Okay. Now it's tempo very fast. You cannot play this song. Okay, we'll go to. So for that we have to adjust. Each song has all the song has different tempo. For this song we have to ready. This much fast we cannot play this song. We can play Jingle Bell. This is a Jingle Bell song tempo, but this song little bit slow, so we have to reduce the tempo. Tempo for this one, so we have to adjust. You can adjust with this tempo. They use the button tempo tap. If you have idea about the song's tempo, just remind your mind what the tempo and just tap it in. Accordingly, there's song tempo. But this is the tempo. Directly you can tap here. We shall overcome. This is the one way. Another method you can adjust here. Now it's 98 tempo. You can adjust with 100 also. It's okay, not little bit change. So if you know the tempo song, you can if it is when you start the keyboard, when you are starting the power, tempo will be maybe different. Let's see here. Tempo just check. Now it's 92. This is too slow. So we have to make fast. How to make fast? Just go to cursor button here, cursor, yes or no, plus or minus. This is if you know the song tempo 100. So go to tempo 100, make it 100 here. Such a way you can do. Otherwise you can do here also directly 1 double 0. Now 100 tempo. Okay. Now we go to play the song with full orchestra. Before that, I taught you again and repeating how to adjust the voice and style. First, you need the style 037. This means Latin disco. The style or rhythm name is Latin disco. In this keyboard, the number of Latin discos beat is number 037. And go to voice. Voice is finished and go to style. Style is finished. So style is Latin disco. Then go to voice. Voice is 078. I am using for brass section. Brass section means group of brass instruments. Sound means trumpet, then trombone, saxophone. This is all brass instruments. All together playing. That sound is called as brass section sound. So now you adjust voice, style, okay, style and tempo again check 100 is 100 tempo you put and put the accompaniment sound here. Accompaniment button. This is the back. All the backing will come with orchestra and chords, bass. Everything will come together at the time we'll play here. I will play the rhythm. See. This accompaniment button is switched off. The sound will be off. Nothing is there. Accompaniment button. So now we are going to start at a time all the songs and orchestra and rhythm. But if you want, you have the synchronization button. You just press the synchronization button, and now it is blinking here. Now after pressing the synchronization button, it will be blink here. So this means this is ready to start all together. Just press here. Now you press the synchronization button. Synchronization button press. Now it's blinking. So first we press the synchronization button. Now it's blinking. So ready to play all together with orchestra and with song. Thank you.